In the past, taking a live stream video and converting it to an on-demand video, wow, it's a huge time suck. I used to have to wait for that live stream video to finish. I would download the video, cut off any awkwardness at the beginning of a video and at the end of a video. I would add pre-roll, add some sound edits so that people could hear the instructor better, export that video out of my non-linear editor, upload the video back to Vimeo, create a thumbnail for the video inside of Illustrator, export that, save it for web, add the metadata on the website by having several browser tabs open so they could see the data from the original live stream event series, make sure I added the correct authoring date so the videos appeared in order on Virtual Y, and then click finally that beautiful publish button. Take a deep breath. Imagine now doing that
7 times a day.
You have a full-time job on your hands. What have we developed? Let me show you right now. So here we are on the YMCA of the North website. I have a bunch of videos from Monday that I want to convert over. All I have to do is go into my Virtual Y settings, go over to my Y North event instances. And then if you see here, you can see these statuses. You can see the videos I've done in the past. But when you scroll up here, we have Bodyweight Bootcamp. We're going to hit this drop-down menu here and then hit convert. This brings me to a brand new screen that will show me the class. It'll pull the live stream from Vimeo and I hit play and I just have to find out where is my pre-roll need to come in. You pretty much have an editor that's making a cut point at the beginning and a cut point at the end. Okay, so it's about to start. All right, so I clocked it at 9:49. Now let's find our endpoint. Okay, so 48:44, as you can see. So we type in 48:44. All of her information is here on the screen. And now I just hit convert. Boom, that video is done. Now, in the future, we're gonna have a thumbnail that's automated to it as well. But for now, we're going to wait for this to go through the conversion process. What the server is going to do is it's going to cut at both of those points, add pre-roll and post-roll. It's going to add some vocal edits to make the volume of the instructor's voice more crisp and sort of make that bed of music a little bit more separated just so it's clear and make every enunciation sound perfect in the audio as much as we can. And then it'll put it onto Vimeo. It'll also connect it to the metadata. So all of those categories, your instructor's name, the description of the class, how long the class is, it's all being pulled from the video. It'll be there. All we're gonna have to do is add a thumbnail. All right, so we're back. It's been about 1 hour. Now I'm gonna go to my video section. I didn't have to do anything, just waited an hour. And here we have, if you see, an unpublished video for Bodyweight Bootcamp. Amazing. Now we go to edit. Now looky here. Bodyweight Bootcamp description is right here. We have the video that's been edited. Let's check to see if it worked. There's my pre-roll. As simple as that. Everything is here in place. We have all of the data. I don't have to go back and do this again. We're going to add our teaser image. Once again, we're going to automate a thumbnail that's going to work with every single video you have. It won't have an image. You'll be able to manually override the thumbnail if you want. But if you just want to make it automated and make your life simple, that'll be an option too. So you're going to select your image. Mine is my Bodyweight Bootcamp. All right, I'll just call it Bodyweight Boot, May 3rd, 2021. Not a great alt text, but all right, image is uploaded. Let's click featured, published, and I'm also gonna make sure that I'm authoring it for the date that it took place. So May 3rd, and then I hit save. And lo and behold, it is now published, as you can see here. And if I go into our virtual Y, right there, Bodyweight Bootcamp, May 3rd, took no time at all. Such a simple change here, such a simple process, so much easier than what you had to do before, and should free up so much time in your schedule. It requires maybe 5 to 10 minutes for me per day now to do 6 to 7 videos. It really doesn't take me that long. I can't get over it. I'm obsessed. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. And I don't know, eat some lunch now that you have a few more hours in your day. Take care of yourself for once. Stop telling everyone you wear so many hats because you just took one of the hats off. You don't have this hat anymore. You just take care of yourself, okay? You don't let the man win, you know? So you just live your best life, man. Because now you just got your life back. Once again, not very good at ending a video.